Great ideas to think about before your camping trip. Whether you pitch a tent or roll up in a motor home, choosing to spend your vacation time camping can be a blast. Make sure you plan and prepare for all of the little hazards that living with nature can present, by watching the following tips and adhering to their advice. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. Research any potential campground well. They all have different amenities. Some may have showers and bathrooms, while others may not. There are even a few campgrounds that are quite fancy, with on-site miniature golf games or water parks. You may not need or want all that, so figure it out ahead of time so that you are not disappointed when you get there. As a courtesy to other campers, don't leave your lighting on overnight, if you are close to others. Pack a timer that you can attach to your lights that will automatically shut them off after a certain time. Leaving lights on overnight is a popular complaint among most American campers. Look up grocery stores near your campsite. Make sure you know how to get to them. Particularly, if your trip is spanning more than 3 or 4 days, the food you bring with you probably isn't going to last the length of your trip. Not only that, but your family is going to get tired of eating the same things day after day. Variety is the key. No matter how you do it, camping is a thoroughly enjoyable way to spend your vacation. It can offer great relaxation, inspiration, and even teach us a lot about our environment. Keep the tips from this video in mind as you set out on your camping adventure and remember to have fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.